much more. With every breath of fresh morning air, I'm reminded of the beauty everywhere, in the dance of the leaves and the stars above. Nature's gentle touch, a pure kind of love. Oh, let the rivers run and the wildflowers bloom, every corner of nature dispelling the gloom. The whispers of wildlife call out my name. In this serene quiet, there's no sense of shame. So let me wander, let me roam. In the wilderness I found my home. Nature lover, forever wild and free. In this beautiful world, that's where I'll be. Wander through the forest where the tall trees sway. Golden rays of sunlight dance along my way. Every step I take on this earthly ground, nature's gentle whispers are the sweetest sound. I'm a nature lover. In the wild I roam. In the fields and valleys I have found my home. From the rising sun to the setting moon, nature's endless beauty is my favorite tune. In the quiet meadows where the flowers bloom, I hear the gentle rustle of the afternoon. The mountains stand so mighty, reaching for the sky. In their ancient wisdom, time goes drifting by. I'm a nature lover. In the wild I roam. In the fields and valleys I have found my home. From the rising sun to the setting moon, nature's endless beauty is my favorite tune. Feel the cool breeze blowing through the open plains. Taste the first sweet drops of the gentle rain. In every leaf and stone, and every river's flow, nature tells a story that I long to know. As the stars